Okay.
Okay.
I'm scared. People gonna
say it. Go.
Should have started, fam. Alright. Yo, it's Prodigy.
It's Rock Royal.
Hey, it's your boy Ray Ray. It's yours truly, Princeton.
And we are Mindless Behavior.
Okay, seriously, we're not.
Seriously, our real names are, I'm Rashida.
I'm Krishna.
I'm Gabriella. I'm Som.
And we are T-Minus
UK
fans.
Don't know. Right.
Okay, we're gonna ask Minus Behavior questions today, and we're gonna put our video on Awesomeness.
Some of them are creepy.
Yeah,
some are not.
Sorry if you guys get offended. We don't want no haters.
Trust.
We just want fun.
And when you watch this video, please watch it, like it, subscribe to my channel.
Tell everyone you know.
Our spoons will be either here or here. Or here. They might be there.
Yeah,
they're not there. And if they're not there, then they're nowhere.
Or up here, yeah? Okay.
Right.
Our first question. To Minus Behavior. What brand of clothing do you guys wear? Like Ralph Lauren, Gucci, Armani, any brand of clothing you like. Just tell us which ones you wear. And yeah.
Okay. So what's your favourite food? I know, Princeton, your favourite food is Mexican and all that stuff, but what else?
Like, honestly, what's your favourite
And
food?
Ray Ray's tacos.
Yeah.
Tacos. Not taco.
My question is, what's your favourite restaurant? What favourite restaurant do you like to go to and eat?
Especially British ones, right?
Yeah. If you came to England, if you came to London, what place would you like to come and eat?
Okay.
She's stupid. Her question is, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yeah.
Do all each of you guys have? Okay.
You don't have to answer names.
Yeah, just
Okay, our
numbers.
next question. If you could have 3 wishes, what would you wish for? Like, 3 wishes only, what would you wish for? Would you wish for to have the best day of your life? Or, get whatever you wanted since day 1? And yeah, just cut off with that.
And my last question is, if your house was on fire, what one thing would you save? One thing, not 2, 3, 1. Thanks.
Oh yeah, and that's it, yeah. But there's a
second part.
Second part.
Oh yeah,
pictures. Oh yeah, and we did pictures.
Oh my god.
And everything.
My first portrait of Ray Ray. My signature's there, so you can't trace it. And it's crinkled paper.
And I do Princeton, I love him. He's so cute.
We love you, Princeton, Prodigy, Rock
We love
Royal.
you.